The online links are available on the following poster, and offline, I have students in front of me here. So I would start by telling them about our institute. We are School of Open Learning, and we are under Department of Distance and Continuing Education. In the poster, you can clearly see our director, ma'am, Professor Payal Mago, our principal, sir, Professor Mr. Ajay Jaiswal, and our academic coordinator, Mr. Dikshant Avasthi. This is the higher management that is managing the entire School of Open Learning. And now I would like to welcome you all by telling you about our program and what all you will be enjoying in the first year, second year, third year, and now the fourth year, considering that the NEP allows you to enter into the fourth year, right? So our institute was founded in 1962, and we have lakhs and lakhs of students here. Now, the number varies year to year depending on our first year admissions, but this is the current enrollment that was there. There are 17 programs that are running in the School of Open Learning. All right, I think there is some voice issue. So let me just figure that out and I will continue with the same. Give me 1 second. All right, let me continue. The issue has been resolved. And there are multiple programs. And the program that you are currently in is BA program, Computer Application, which is a professional program. And I wish to inform you that this is a brilliant course which has great career perspective. Okay, now this is the mission and vision of our program. We focus on innovation. Now, innovation is the primary concern when it is related to a course like computer application, because we want to foster critical thinking, analytical abilities, and creativity through robust curriculum. Now, the curriculum is followed as per the University of Delhi, but we instill innovativity by adding the element of projects, research from the very beginning. Industry alignment. Now, the placement cell of School of Open Learning is going very strong, and we've had excellent placements, and we are also going to continue with this in the next coming weeks. Next week only, we have a brilliant placement fair, a job fair that is going to be conducted in a Tahirpur center, that is the East Center of School of Open Learning. Right. And the industry exposure not only gives you a knowledge about what the industry demands, but also it allows you to understand where you stand or what you want from the industry. Global relevance. Now, as we all know that globally, there are a lot of courses that are very, very in, like AI, deep learning, and many other things. We prepare you to enter and add these courses to your resume, do courses, and excel in your career, aligning towards these courses. So we have program objectives. That is, we develop strong understanding of programming, data structures, algorithm, operating systems, networks, AI, deep learning, and eventually in research. Then the emerging technologies that are there currently running in the industry, we also align you with those technologies. Okay. Practical skills. Now, as you all know, you must have seen the practical lab that is set up in this particular institute, that is the North Campus. The East Center also has a brilliant facility of laboratories, and we have excellent infrastructure when it comes to the seating, the laboratories, and the systems that are present in the labs. So, A-class infrastructure. Now it's on to you how you are going to use this for your benefit. Right? Then, of course, ethics. Now, when it comes to a course like computer application, it is very important that good ethics are instilled in you from the very beginning. So once that instills in you, you guys are prepared how to behave yourself in the industry, right? All right. So who all are enthusiastic about learning new technologies? I'm sure all of you. So am I, being in this field, you have to upgrade yourself continuously. And I think everyone should be enthusiastic enough. Even if you're doing a course in distance education, you're doing in a distance mode, but you have these laboratories available for you 24/7. Like, I mean, not 24/7 during the college hours, but during the working days. And you can come anytime. We are here to mentor you guys, to allow you to do projects with you. So that's all available here. And we would encourage you to do that. Your classes are being conducted on regular basis and also on distance basis. So it goes live on YouTube and it is also available for you to access later on. All right, I think there is another glitch. Let me just pause for a All right, welcome back. There was a little technical glitch which is resolved right now. I think my projector wasn't projecting it properly, and now we are back. right? All right. So the objective of this program is not only to get you straight aligned with the curriculum, which you will definitely because you have to give your examination, but to align you and your career with the current technologies, right? It is important for all of you to know the technologies that are going on in the industry, to understand what they demand, and to know how you can imply your knowledge into the industry. ठीक है? बहुत जरूरी है कि तुम जो पढ़ रहे हो वो तुम इस्तेमाल कैसे करोगे इंडस्ट्री में वो जानना, ठीक है? बिकॉज अनलेस यू नो दैट, आई डोंट थिंक यू आर गोइंग टू एक्सेल. सिर्फ पढ़ाई करके पेपर देके पास होना इज नॉट द एम. इन स्कूल ऑफ ओपन लर्निंग वी एम फॉर यू टू create good projects, to participate in hackathons, to get real life experience, to gain practical skills, जिससे तुम ना ही अपने आप को डेवलप करो बट अपनी एक जगह इंडस्ट्री में बना पाओ. सिंपल. ओके. Yes, so we have spoken about your career aspiration, your enthusiasm towards technology, and how you have to make your mind analytical. हम करिकुलम कवर कराएंगे, कॉलेज में सब कवर कराएंगे, बट उस नॉलेज को तुम अप्लाई कैसे कर रहे हो? टेक्नोलॉजी इज ऑल अबाउट एप्लीकेशन, राइट? Okay, now ODL, open and distance learning. Why is it important, or what is the significance of ODL? Now, it enables you to perform this learning and experiential learning, practical skills in a setup which is blended. All right. We are offering you a blended sort of setup where you can come for classes, you can attend your labs, plus access your online resources and sit at home and do your education, right? Access to high quality curriculum without relocation. So if per se someone is sitting somewhere XYZ location which is far away from here, they can also access the same resources because we go live from the class itself, right? So that accessibility is there. Flexibility. You have the flexibility. Technology-based platforms for coding. We have open resources which we follow so that coding can be performed even when you're sitting at home. Then project-based assessment. I must emphasize on this because this is something that we encourage from the very beginning. Projects करोगे तो समझ आएगा कि knowledge का क्या काम है. All right. So this is your curriculum structure. We have 4 years under NEP. ठीक है? 4 साल NEP आपको दे रहा है. फर्स्ट ईयर में तुम्हारी कोडिंग के बेसिक्स आएंगे. सो वी आर लर्निंग पाइथन, C++. ओके. ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग सीखेंगे. व्हेन वी कम टू सेमेस्टर 3 and 4, we will get into a more core area of data analytics. You have your data structures, then you have your artificial intelligence. These are the subjects that you go further deep into, right? Then when we have year 3, then you have other subjects like DBMS, you have your networks, you have your web programming, you have your machine learning. So you are getting deeper and deeper into your technological aspect. Okay. Then when we come to year 4, you have this year as your specialization. Now, of course, this is an optional year, but I would recommend that considering that you're in a professional course, I must encourage you all to get into this year for your research, for your project work, and to just expand your horizon when it comes to knowledge, right? All right. Now we have evaluation here. I would like Asha ma'am to please pour some light. All right. So I think she is busy in some task. Let me only tell you a little bit more about evaluation here. So evaluation is divided into 3 parts. Okay. So the major chunk is your semester exam. That is for 90 marks. That happens at the end, which contains your entire syllabus. So from your first unit to your last unit, it comprises of the entire syllabus, right? Then is your continuous evaluation. Now, this continuous evaluation is based on your performance in classroom. How you perform in class, how you're doing the assignment, how you're doing the quizzes, how are you giving your assessment in class? May it be in the form of quiz, presentation, assignments, anything. And we also do game-based assessment. So yeah, everything is a part of this. Then comes your internal assessment. Now, internal assessment is one part of assessment that is very important, and it is conducted in an online mode. So there are MCQs that are given to you, and you attempt those MCQs with a stipulated period of time. Okay? अब आप लोगों के पास different type of courses जैसे minor, major, SEC, WAC, AEC. So हर एक के अपना एक points होते हैं जैसे 30 marks, 35 marks. You know, this is like a set marks, but 30, 35, 20 marks होता है कुछ. So depending on किस semester में हो, क्या course ले रहे हो, it may vary. Okay, it may not, but I am giving you all the alternatives that you have. जैसे SEC का जो paper होता है, that's having only internal assessment. So if you miss it, like you fail. Okay. So that all aspect is very important. Internal assessment देना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. It is an online mode. It is in an MCQ format. So you have to prepare your curriculum not only in a theoretical mode, but also in a practical and a more diligent manner, right? Okay, so you all know about our infrastructure. I'm sure you all have seen our infrastructure facility, which is impeccable, right? And even more, you see our e-center, which is going to be inaugurated next week. It is a state-of-art building, and the labs and everything. Everyone must visit that center and see how beautifully it has been constructed. And all thanks to our higher management that I told you about in the first slide. Next, about the faculty. So there are 5 faculty members that are present in the department. My name is Aishwarya Anand Arora. Yes. This was the slide where I wanted to introduce all of us, and so did I for myself. So I am your teacher in charge for this year, and other faculty members will be introducing themselves here, but let me tell you their names. I have Dr. Charu Gupta here with us. Then we have Dr. Rima Thureja, Miss Asha Yadav, and Miss Varsha Agarwal. So we have 5 faculty members who are going to teach you different subjects over different semesters. All right, very, very important about career opportunities and future scope. Like I told you, we are aligned with the industry. We do encourage you to get into internships, do projects, and give you industrial experience from the very beginning. All right, now here goes the end of my slideshow. I would now request Dr. Charu Gupta to please come and explain us about the project-based evaluation that I just told you about. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Welcome to School of Open Learning, Department of Distance and Continuing Education, University of Delhi. You all are admitted here in BA program, Computer Applications. Now, since this program is itself computer applications, you have to apply your learning. You have to apply your learning in a computer-based solution, right? Learning through the books, you are learning Python programming, you are learning C++, you are learning database management system, then you will be learning web programming. But this learning is incomplete until and unless you make some project. ठीक है, आप लोग जो भी सीख रहे हो, आप एक नॉर्मल C++ का प्रोग्राम C++ भी सीख रहे हो, ठीक है, आप उसका एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम बनाओ. अगर आपने आज एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन सीखा, आप उस C++ प्रोग्रामिंग में छोटा सा एक कैलकुलेटर बनाओ. ठीक है, मेन्यू बेस्ड कैलकुलेटर बनाओ. अगर आपने आज पाइथन सीखी तो आप उस पाइथन के डिफरेंट फंक्शंस को यूज करके एक छोटा सा पेंट ब्रश बनाओ. ठीक है, जहां पे आप शेप्स बना रहे हो, आप यूजर से ले रहे हो, जैसे आप लोगों के टेलीफोन में होता है. ठीक है, IVRS होता है, एक नंबर वन, इफ आई प्रेस वन देन डू दिस, इफ आई प्रेस टू देन डू दिस। देन सिमिलरली एक छोटा सा प्रोग्राम बनाओ। आप लोगों के पास फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर और सेकंड सेमेस्टर के बीच में छोटा सा विंटर ब्रेक होता है, ठीक है। आप लोगों के पास फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर के बीच में 2 मंथ्स का ब्रेक होता है। आपने जो कुछ भी पढ़ा आप उसको एक छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ। वी डोंट एक्सपेक्ट यू टू मेक अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट लाइक ITR, जैसे ITR बना हुआ है इंडिया में, या रेलवे रिजर्वेशन सिस्टम है IRCTC, बट यस वी expect you to build a small project. It could be छोटी सी वेबसाइट हो सकती है जिसमें आप अपनी क्रिएटिविटी शो कर सकते हो, ठीक है। वेब पेज बनाओ यूजिंग HTML CSS। फिर जब आप पाइथन पढ़ रहे हो, आप एप्लीकेशन बनाओ, एक छोटा सा लॉगिन फॉर्म बनाओ। आप बेशक गूगल फॉर्म यूज करके लॉगिन फॉर्म बनाओ। जब आप वो एक फॉर्म बनाओगे गूगल फॉर्म यूज करते हो, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि मुझे अपनी कंप्यूटर नॉलेज को कैसे अप्लाई करना, ठीक है। मैंने एक फॉर्म बनाया, अगर मैं उस फॉर्म में स्टूडेंट का नेम एंट्री करवा रहा हूँ या स्टूडेंट का डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंट्री करवा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कौन सा डेटा टाइप लेना है, मुझे कौन सा फील्ड लेना है। आर यू गेटिंग इट? ठीक है, इससे आप लोगों के फायदे बहुत सारे। द फर्स्ट इज यू आर अप्लाइंग योर नॉलेज इन अ रियल लाइफ, यू आर सॉल्विंग अ रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम। आप लोगों का माइंड चलेगा, ठीक है। जब हम कुछ काम प्रैक्टिकली करते हैं तब हमें पता चलता है ओ इसको ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसे करते हैं तो इट विल वर्क better. So you will be having so many benefits. We are 5 faculties in computer applications. We are available here from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So whenever you feel like मंडे, अगर आपकी क्लास वेडनेसडे को है बट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट, आप एक छोटा सा कैलकुलेटर बना रहे हो, छोटा सा पेंट ब्रश बना रहे हो, आप लोगों को उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, यू कैन कम टू अस कि दैट वी आर फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम। हम एक छोटी सी वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, हम एक फूड ऑर्डरिंग की ऐप बना रहे हैं, देयर इज अ कैंटीन डाउनस्टेयर्स ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर, हम उसको ऑर्डरिंग करने की एक फूड ऐप बना रहे हैं जस्ट लाइक योर जोमैटो एंड स्विगी, ठीक है। छोटी सी मोबाइल ऐप बना रहे हैं, हमको ये समझ नहीं आ रहा, वी ऑल आर अवेलेबल है, ठीक है। वी कैन हैव डिस्कशन, वी कैन हैव ट्रबल शूटिंग, वी कैन हैव टेक्निकल स्किल्स। आपको लेकिन इससे आपको देखो फायदा क्या होगा, एक तो आपको ये पता चलेगा कि हमने कौन सी चीज कहाँ अप्लाई करनी है, क्या हमने जो आज पाइथन और C++ सीखा हम उसको रियल लाइफ में कैसे अप्लाई करें, ठीक है। दूसरी चीज, हम जब क्या हमने जो काम अभी C++ से किया, क्या उसका कोई और नई टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल है? हम लोग पाइथन में कर रहे हैं, क्या उसकी कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी अवेलेबल है? बहुत सारी वेब एप्लीकेशंस के फ्रेमवर्क्स अवेलेबल है, ठीक है। जैंगो हम उसको डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे तो हमें DBMS का यूज करना पड़ेगा, हम लोग डेटाबेस कनेक्ट करेंगे, हम लोग SQL यूज करेंगे। हम लोग जब फ्रेमवर्क्स यूज करेंगे तब हमें पता चलेगा कि बहुत सारी चीजें तो ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है बट वी हैव टू यूज इट, ठीक है। तीसरा फायदा आप लोगों का क्या होगा, आप लोग जब पास आउट नहीं भी होने होंगे, व्हेन यू विल बी इन योर सेकेंड ईयर, व्हेन यू विल बी इन योर थर्ड ईयर, आप जब अपना रेज्यूमे बनाओगे, आप जब अपना रेज्यूमे इज योर professional biodata, what technical skills you know everything that is in your mark sheet, you know C++, you know Python, you know DBMS, that is in your mark sheet. But apart from this, what you have learned, how you can apply it, that is there in your resume कि आपने ये project बनाया, you have developed a food ordering mobile app for the SOL college, you have developed a result analysis app for the students of BA program computer applications. You have applied your data mining and machine learning knowledge in analyzing the data. ठीक है, so that project जो आपके resume में होगा वो आपके लिए बेस्ट होगा, ठीक है। Because as a company, as a hiring person, as an HR, what I look, C++ तो सबको आती है, तुमने ऐसा नया क्या किया? I have done projects. मुझे पता है कि अगर मैंने ये वेब फॉर्म बनाया है तो इसमें कौन कौन सी चीज कैसे लगेगी, मुझे पता है कि अच्छा कि क्या इसमें हम इसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। आई एम अवेयर ऑफ इट, व्हाट सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स आर देयर, ठीक है। सिर्फ एक लॉगिन, जब आप लॉगिन पेज बनाओगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि उस लॉगिन पेज के साथ कैप्चा भी बनाना है। जब आप टेक्स्ट का कैप्चा बनाओगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि मैं इसमें कुछ कैलकुलेटर वाला कैप्चा बना लूं। फिर आपको लगेगा ओहो देयर आर सम विजुअली impaired candidates, so let me make it an audio. So now you are complete with, ठीक है। आई नो हाउ टू मेक अ लॉगिन पेज, और उस लॉगिन पेज में मुझे यूजर नेम चाहिए, पासवर्ड चाहिए, पासवर्ड को मास्क करना है, उसके साथ कैप्चा चाहिए, कैप्चा के क्या क्या फीचर्स हो। नाउ योर प्रोजेक्ट इज कंप्लीट, you know what all is required. So this is the knowledge that you will be gaining through it. Now what else you will be knowing? आप लोग ये काम प्रोजेक्ट अकेले तो कर नहीं सकते, यू विल बी नीडिंग योर फ्रेंड्स। आज आप लोग पहली बार बहुत बच्चों से मिले हो, आप अपना एक ग्रुप बनाओगे, आपको अपने टीम के साथ काम करना है। अच्छा ये काम नहीं कर पा रहा मेरा टीम मेंबर, ये काम नहीं कर पा रहा बिकॉज ऑफ सम XYZ इशू, मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करता हूँ। ठीक है, यू विल बी लर्निंग हाउ टू वर्क इन अ टीम। मैं अकेले सब काम नहीं कर सकती। सो व्हेनेवर यू आर डूइंग अ प्रोजेक्ट, आप एक हफ्ते का प्रोजेक्ट करो, 4 लोगों के साथ बैठ के करो, आपको पता चलेगा ये काम मैं कर रहा हूँ, आई एम डूइंग द कोडिंग, यू डू द इंटरफेस, यू मेक द रिपोर्ट, ओके you have some problem, I'll do your work. So you will learn how to work in teamwork and collaboration. This is required when you pass out. When you are a graduate, you should know how to work in teamwork. ठीक है, what else you will be learning? You will be learning creativity. ठीक है भाई, लॉगिन फॉर्म है, आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ए लॉगिन फॉर्म, या आई एम टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ कैलकुलेटर। ठीक है, उसके सिंबल्स हम कैसे लगाएं, मेन्यू बेस्ड बनाना है, कैसे करें। अच्छा इसको ऐसे नहीं करते, ऐसे करते हैं। ठीक है, ये जितने भी प्लस माइनस के साइंस है, इसको थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिव बना देते, थोड़ा सा ब्यूटीफुल कर देते, इसके कलर्स ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है, थोड़ा सा कलरफुल कर देते, राइट। सो you will learn so much and so many things through your projects. ठीक है, आप छोटा सा प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, वो ठीक है कि हम उस प्रोजेक्ट को यूज करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, बट यू विल लर्न द एक्सपीरियंस। द प्रोजेक्ट इज स्मॉल, I don't expect you to make a big project, I don't expect you to make a complete project, but yes, I expect you to make a small project and you build it up through your career, through your study, through your study of BA program, and then you come out with flying colors. So I wish you all the best with a motive, with a line that whenever you start building a project, your success is built on that particular project. You start small, think big, and stay consistent. If you are facing any technical problem in making your project, you come to us. हमसे नहीं हो रहा, ये एरर आ रही है, सॉर्ट आउट करो। हम नहीं करा पा रहे या हम भी अटक गए हैं, सो वी विल कंटिन्यूअसली लुक आउट फॉर द सॉल्यूशंस, वी विल टुगेदर लुक आउट फॉर द सॉल्यूशन कि हम इस एरर को कैसे हटाएं। सो वी हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, राइट। सो वेलकम टू BA program Computer Application School of Learning, right? And let us hope that you start working in applying your knowledge. पेपर तो सब पास कर लेंगे, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे पास कर लेंगे, लेकिन अप्लाई करने के लिए एक एक छोटा सा छोटा प्रोजेक्ट बनाना आपको खुद पड़ेगा, राइट। सो welcome and all the best. So let's invite Miss Asha Yadav for introduction and for her few words.
Hello all, I'm Asha Yadav. I will be taking your C++. Okay, so most welcome for the new session and most welcome for the new session. All the best. Let's gel up in the class. Okay, I don't have so much to say. Like Charu ma'am already explained everything to you. IA has been explained by Aishwarya ma'am. I take care of your internal assessments. Okay, so let's meet in the class.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Myself, Varsha Agarwal, and I want to share some information about job-oriented skill innovative course, right? The university also provide some skill enhancement course in the Center of Innovative Skill Growth, that is OLDC. And the best part is that these courses are made to provide job-oriented while you are studying, these courses provide you job oriented course, right? So these courses give you some extra information like AC repairing course, beauty and hair, nail art, and computer network, cyber security, motor driving car for a bus, and videography, photography, video editing. In fact, the GST and tax filing course, finance course, and animation, graphics, and there are many more courses. Yes, these are the soft skill. These are the skill enhancement course which are provided the job oriented course. These courses provide the best part is that these courses are short, flexible, and the industry certified course, right? So yeah, no, yes, in the other center like Keshapuram and the other centers. Okay, so you have to extra pay for this course. You have to register in this course, right? The course are online mode, also in the offline mode. Some course are in the online mode and some course are in the offline mode, right? So after covering this course, you have get in the certificate, and you enhance your resume to get this course certified. You can start up your own. You can start up your own business, or you can join in the project or internship also, right? So I encourage you all to take the advantage of these course, right? So that you can enhance, you can shape yourself to become more future special future based, future friendly, and job oriented also, right? So if you want any any job oriented course, you can join these skill enhancement course. Like, thank you so much and warm welcome to everyone for the new session. I over to the Rima now.
Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome you all. And I think you are the luckiest batch because we have already have 2 years of experience teaching BA program here at SOL. You have seniors who are always there to help you. And today, I already much has been said about different perspectives. I'll be talking about placement, which Aishwarya ma'am, she's the convener of our placement cell. She's already discussed about it, but just to give a briefing, for your placements, we also need to train you, right? And we are also looking right from the, we request you and we urge you to join the sessions. We have online as well as offline. So people from industry come here and tell you how to create your resume right from the first day you join this course, how to prepare for your interviews, so that once you are done with your third and fourth years, you are already prepared. You will be doing projects. You have everything. In fact, I think you are luckier than the regular students because every day they have to go to college, and it's commutation and a lot of things. You waste your time at times, right? So you have to come here 1 day or 2 days, and then you have 4 to 5 days at your leave, and there you can do extra courses from, as Varsha ma'am said, from our skill based courses that SOL offer, or you can also do from anywhere outside, wherever you find suitable as per your requirements. But please keep doing, please keep enhancing, because today the industry is such that it does not look at degree alone. They need your degree and they need your skills, right? And you have ample time to focus and to sharpen your skills. We are always there. Each one of us is there to guide you, to mentor you, to help you. So please feel free to come to us for any sort of query, right? We are always there at SOL, right? We also have some students who can tell you about different aspects that we and different features that you have the privilege at SOL. So happy learning. Please keep coming to the classes regularly and keep coming up with doubts about your studies or about any other thing, right? So I request students to come here and talk about their experiences. Thank you. All the best.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to the faculty members and our fellow students. आज हम यहाँ एकत्रित हुए हैं एक डिस्कशन करने के लिए। टॉपिक जो है हमारा इनॉग्रेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट, जो हमारे स्कूल ऑफ ओपन लर्निंग में ओपन हो रहा है अभी। ये दिन हमारे लिए सिर्फ एक डिपार्टमेंट की शुरुआत नहीं है, बल्कि ये हमारा एक डोर है जिसमें हम अपने बहुत ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी को ओपन कर रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए। कंप्यूटर साइंस, जैसे आप सब जानते हैं, आजकल का सबसे ज्यादा रैपिडली ग्रोइंग फील्ड है, क्योंकि ये फील्ड सिर्फ एजुकेशन में ही नहीं, हेल्थ, फाइनेंस, एंटरटेनमेंट, हर फील्ड में इसका रोल है आजकल।
और हमें ये बहुत ही ज्यादा गर्व है कि एसओए के बच्चों को भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, जिससे कि हम इस फील्ड में अपना अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ाए, अपने एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ाए, जिससे हमारा फ्यूचर और ज्यादा ब्राइट हो, राइट। एज अ फर्स्ट 5th सेमेस्टर स्टूडेंट मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि हमें ये यहाँ पर एक ऐसा सपोर्टिव इन्वायरमेंट मिल रहा है जहाँ हम सिर्फ थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज ही नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज भी एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं। हमारे डिपार्टमेंट के कुछ हाइलाइट्स हैं जो हमारे लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस को और इंगेजिंग और इम्पैक्टफुल बनाते हैं, जैसे वर्कशॉप्स और सेमिनार्स, वो भी नई टेक्नोलॉजीज के रिगार्डिंग, चाहे वो एआई हो, डेटा साइंस या फिर साइबर सिक्योरिटी, कोडिंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स और हैकाथॉन, जिससे हम अपनी स्किल्स को और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, इंडस्ट्री इंटरेक्शंस और गेस्ट लेक्चर्स फ्रॉम एक्सपर्ट्स जो हमें रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपोजर देते हैं, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एक कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट जहां हम एक दूसरे से सीख सकते हैं। हम सब स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि हम अपनी पूरी मेहनत डिपार्टमेंट की ग्रोथ में कंट्रीब्यूट करें। फाइनली मैं बस ये कहना चाहूंगी, डिपार्टमेंट की शुरुआत सिर्फ एक नया चैप्टर नहीं बल्कि एक नई किताब है जो हम सबको मिलकर लिखनी होगी। थैंक यू।
All right. So it was a welcome from the Department of Computer Science to all the first year students. We hope that you enjoy your time here, you deliver your time, all your energy, and channelize it by the end. Welcome and thank you. This is the end of the orientation program. So, all of you who've joined online, thank you for joining. I hope we could instill as much as we could through our mode of education.